Hey, Marvin Diaz from Tonic. We're trying to improve developer productivity by bringing the freedom and control of a traditional IDE with the drag and drop seamless functionality of a no-code tool. So, 5 updates of what we've been up to over the last 2 weeks. Here we go. Number one, we took a call to prioritize market validation over engineering just because we are so early stage. Number two, we performed over a dozen user interviews with Flutter developers from over 8 different countries. And we also had some fantastic conversations with the creators of Flutter themselves. Number three, we learned that Flutter devs see value in having a drag and drop UI builder, but the primary pain point for Flutter developers is not the IDE itself. They love VS Code. Number four, picking that thread up. They love VS Code so much that distribution for our product is proving to be more challenging than we initially thought. And we are very clear that we want to solve for distribution before investing too much time in engineering. And lastly, number five, for the next 2 weeks, we are focused on a staggered launch approach, and we are focusing all our engineering efforts towards building a VS Code extension that will give Flutter devs the ability to access a library of top quality UI components. To that effect, we're also hiring a React or SolidJS dev. So if you'd love to work with us and you have experience with React or SolidJS, check us out at gettonic.dev. See you in 2 weeks.